welcome to another review. This is the review video of the 2026 Toyota Vitz. If you are new to the channel, welcome to Fumi015 RPM. We definitely review cars this side. I am asking you to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to give you reviews every week for as long as you stay subscribed. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back to the channel. We are currently about to reach 4,000 subscribers, or maybe by the time this video comes out, we will be on 4,000 subscribers already, because as I'm doing voiceovers for this car, we are seated on 3,984 subscribers. I'm definitely very happy with this. Without you guys, I would not have reached this far. This channel is the way it is because of all of you. I started this car channel as Budget Car Fumi. The idea was to review only budget cars, but then I saw as time goes this is going to limit me, because a lot of people kept on requesting for cars that are more than budget cars. That is when I thought about changing the name to Fumi015 RPM. The car that I'm reviewing here is a budget hatchback. With Fumi015 RPM, we are not limited to any segment. We review everything. Changing the name from Budget Car Fumi to Fumi015 RPM was the best thing to do, because we do all kind of cars this side. This video is a review of a tiny car. I call it tiny because that's what it is. It is tiny. Maybe it is tinier than a Kia Picanto, or maybe they are the same. Whatever the case it may be, let's review the 2026 Toyota Vitz XR. Fumi015 RPM is a YouTube channel dedicated to giving you the best car reviews. I present to you by the name Fumi. I am a former sales executive at BB Motors. If you simply want to be a smart shopper in the vehicle industry, you are in the right direction. Thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe. The Toyota Vitz that we are reviewing here is the XR variant, but we are doing it in manual transmission. In this video, we are going to do a walk around review, speak about the engine, exterior features, interior features, as well as the price. Price is normally at the end of the video. In this video, we are going to do the same. And if you are not aware, this channel was created on the 10th of June 2024 in Tzaneen, Limpopo. All this time I was based in Tzaneen, but then around January month end in 2026, I decided to test new waters. I took a bus and came to Midrand, and this is where I reside now. This time around, I'm able to show you a lot of cars more than what you see on the screen right now. This specific video that you are reviewing here has been in the draft since October. I found this one at a Toyota dealership in Tzaneen, and I've just realized something. A lot of people like budget cars on my channel. Even though we review everything, let us review this one. This tiny car comes with a 1-liter 3-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine. This engine produces 49 kilowatts of power and 89 Newton meters of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels via a 5-speed manual transmission. It has got a fuel capacity of 32 liters, a fuel consumption of 4.4 liters in 100 kilometers, and a fuel range of 727 kilometers. Maximum speed is 160 kilometers per hour, and that's it when it comes to the engine details of the Toyota Vitz XR manual. If there is something you want to say about the engine detail, please let me know in the comment section. On the exterior features, there is not a lot to talk about. Headlamps are halogen, front fog lamps come as standard, front bumper is color coded, the front grille is in black and chrome. There are no front parking sensors. At the rear end you find them. Alloy wheels come standard in 15 inches. Exterior mirrors are body colored. The same happens with the exterior door handles. At the rear end there's a high mounted brake light, a rear bumper in body color, rear fog lamps of course, a small roof spoiler. There is a reversing camera surprisingly. I definitely didn't see this one coming. A small car with a small budget has a reversing camera. We see you, Toyota, we see you. The tailgate of this Toyota Vitz is electromagnetic, absolutely not electric. Luggage area is quite a lot for a car of this size. I can't really complain much. A 14-inch steel wheel comes standard. We have covered all the exterior features. It is time we speak about the interior features. But before we go there, let me show you the colors that are available for this Toyota Vitz. Here in the interior there's a lot of plastic used. Starting off here with the door trimming, there is quite a lot of plastic, especially with the inner part of the door. Surprisingly, even the door armrest. The interior is actually beautiful than I imagined. That was the first thing I've noticed when I've entered inside. When I worked at BB Motors, I've never really paid attention to the Toyota Vitz. And by the way, this car is based on the Suzuki Celerio. Inside it features 5 seats. Front seats are manually adjustable. They are in fabric seat material trimming, no center armrest. You still get this traditional parking brake, gear lever in urethane material, twin cup holders. These ones are not practical because they cannot grip your cups or bottles. There is also a cell phone storage, no wireless charging. Instead, you get a 12-volt socket and a USB socket. Physical rotary dials for telemetry controls. Some buttons here for controlling the windows. There is a touchscreen infotainment system. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 4 speakers come as standard in this cabin. Steering wheel is 3-spoke in design. It is manually adjustable. The speedometer is in analog. No keyless entry and keyless start into the cabin. You manually use the key to do that. The car is quite small from the outside, but when you're on the driver's seat or the front passenger seat, it doesn't feel that small. Surprisingly, it comes standard with 6 airbags. I never really saw that coming. Let us quickly move on to the rear seats. Let me show you the struggles that I would normally go through when I do videos in a dealership. Just pay attention to this clip and see what will happen. See, this is why I don't like doing videos on the floor. It's just that some dealerships will never allow you to take the car outside, but this is seriously a struggle, guys. Anyway, the second row has got a lot of space to offer, especially people that are not too tall are going to fit perfectly in here. This is the part of the video where I'll recommend this car for Uber or Bolt services. If you're planning on getting yourself one in that regard, you're good to go. Cars that are already common for Uber services are the likes of the Suzuki Dzire. Even a Bajaj is used for Bolt services here in Gauteng. This is why I'm confident when I say that the one that you are reviewing here can be good for such services. You literally can never go wrong with that. It is comfortable in a normal way. Only the middle seat is the one that doesn't feel comfortable. This would be quite suitable for 2 passengers in this space. In the middle, even if there is no one, I wouldn't see a problem. That is just a small space for a full adult. The nicer thing about these seats is that you can fold them as well. That way you'll be able to reach stuff that are in the luggage area. Or even if you want more space, you can fold down all of these second row seats. Then you'll have space extending from the luggage area to the second row. Isofix child seat mountings are available, as well as a remote central locking. I think let us wrap up the video review of the 2026 Toyota Vitz, and now we should find out how much it will cost you. The price of the 2026 Toyota Vitz XR variant is 209,900 rands in 6 years with 0 deposit and 0 balloon payment at an interest rate of 10.25%. You are going to spend 3,915 rands on monthly repayment. With that said, do you think the Toyota Vitz is in the budget that you have set for your potential car? Please let me know in the comment section right now. Included in the price, there is a 3-year 100,000 km warranty and 4 services 60,000 km service plan. Does that sound like a bargain to you? Let me know in the comment section. We have reached the end of the video for our 2026 Toyota Vitz XR variant. We are definitely going to meet in another video. Cheers.